Did you know flat earthers think airline flights actually prove their model is right? Here's their wild logic. They say if you look at a flight from Sydney to Santiago, it should take forever on a globe because you're going way around the curve. But on their flat earth map, it's basically a straight line across the bottom. So why don't planes just fly over Antarctica then? Well, according to them, flights over Antarctica are totally banned, like completely off limits. And they claim pilots are either in on this massive conspiracy or their instruments are straight up lying to them. But here's where it gets really interesting. They point to emergency landings that happened in weird places and say, see? That proves our map. Like when a plane heading south suddenly lands somewhere that makes zero sense on a globe, but perfect sense on their flat model. And GPS? They think that's rigged too. The satellites aren't actually in space according to them. It's all ground-based towers pretending to be satellites. Pretty wild theory when you think about it.